If your Steam downloads feel painfully slow, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up Steam downloads using a few simple settings that can make a huge difference. These are quick fixes you can try in just a couple of minutes, and they're great whether you're downloading a brand new game, a big update, or a pile of patches all at once. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam and head into your settings. On Windows, click Steam in the top left, then choose Settings. On Steam for other platforms, the menu may look a little different, but you're looking for the same general settings area. Once you're inside, go to the Download section. This is where most of the speed-related options live, and this is the best place to start because Steam download issues are often caused by server congestion, background limits, or cached data. The first thing you want to try is changing your download region. Steam automatically picks a nearby server, but sometimes the closest server is actually overloaded. That means a slightly farther location can end up being much faster. In the download region box, try switching to a major nearby city instead of a small local region. For example, if you're in a smaller European country, you could test Frankfurt or London. If you're in another part of the world, choose a major city that is still reasonably close to you. After you change the region, give Steam a moment to apply the setting, then watch your download speed and see if it improves. If one region doesn't help, don't be afraid to test another one. This is one of the simplest ways to get better download performance. Next, check your bandwidth-related settings. In the same download section, look for any option that limits your connection. Make sure limit bandwidth is unchecked unless you specifically need it turned on. If it's enabled, Steam may be artificially slowing down your downloads in the background. You should also check that schedule auto updates is turned off if you don't need it. When Steam is trying to juggle updates at certain times, it can sometimes interfere with the speed of the download you actually care about. Turning off unnecessary scheduling helps Steam focus on the current task instead of shredding your connection across multiple update processes. Now let's move on to something that many users overlook, the download cache. Over time, Steam can build up cached download data that gets in the way of smooth performance. If downloads are stalling, freezing, or taking forever to start, clearing the cache can help reset those software-level bottlenecks. In Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and look for Clear Cache. When you click it, Steam may ask you to sign in again or restart the client. That is completely normal. Think of this like a soft reset for the download manager. It doesn't delete your games, but it can clear out problems that are slowing things down behind the scenes. After the cache is cleared, sign back in and test your download speed again. In many cases, this alone can make Steam feel much more responsive. If your download was stuck at a weird speed before, or if it kept pausing and resuming, clearing the cache can often clean that up. The next thing to check is whether Steam is being slowed by remote play or streaming-related features running in the background. If you use Steam Link or broadcast your gameplay, go to Settings and then Remote Play. Look for any throttling or background performance options that might be active. If you're not using those features right now, disable anything that could be limiting your connection. Sometimes Steam tries to balance performance between streaming and downloading, and that can reduce the speed you see in the Downloads tab. Turning off unnecessary throttling helps ensure your bandwidth is going where you want it to go. At this point, you've already covered the most important fixes: change the download region, remove bandwidth limits, clear the cache, and disable background throttling where needed. These are the core settings that usually make the biggest difference. If you want the best result, try them one at a time and test your download after each change so you can see which setting had the biggest impact on your system. If you're still not getting the speed you expected, make sure nothing else on your network is using up your connection. Big uploads, cloud backups, streaming video, and other downloads can all slow Steam down. It also helps to avoid downloading over a weak Wi-Fi signal if you have the option to use a wired Ethernet connection instead. A stable connection can make a bigger difference than people think, especially for large game downloads. So to quickly recap, the easiest way to speed up Steam downloads is to switch to a less congested major download region. Make sure bandwidth limits are off, clear your Steam download cache, and disable any throttling related to remote play or streaming. These steps are fast, safe, and often enough to get your download speed back on track. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this one. And if you want, I can also show you how to fix Steam downloads that are stuck at 0 bytes per second, or how to make Steam launch games faster too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.